Do you think that we, in our own understanding, of course, I've already qualified myself there, in our own understanding, should just make the best of it?
We're ignorant of reality, of true reality, not a reality that we come to understand.
Right.
That's how I lived my life.
Right.
I'm just trying to make the best of it.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get through this.
And how did that work out for you?
It didn't work out for me at all. It was trying to play soccer with a bowling ball. It was pointless. It was ineffective.
Yeah.
And it was very caustic. It was extremely caustic. And relying on myself, just trying to get through the day, just trying to get through my miserable existence. It affected not just me, but others around me.
Yeah.
It affects your family, and it was just so destructive. I couldn't find my way out of it.
So a positive mental attitude, though many may proclaim that this is the best way to go, really didn't do it for you, did it?
While he was saying that, I'm over here snicking. It's those little bumper sticker slogans, but they don't get you through life. And
No.
the only thing that gets you through life is knowing that there's someone greater than you that wants something better for you than what you have brought to yourself. He's saving us from ourselves.
Yeah, but he's not only saving us from ourselves, he's also saving us to something.
To him, because he wants us.
That's a good place to be.
Yeah, he wants to make us worthy of
him. He wants to be he wants us to be his house. But this is also scriptural. He also wants himself to be our house. And there's got to be a reason why Jesus said, I in you and you in me. It's not just I in you. It's not just him living in me. That's not enough for God. He wants us to be in him as well. It's a mutual dwelling. In a previous episode, we talked about the door. That as we go through the door, which is Christ, we personally go through the door, which is Christ. We become unified with the door, unified with him. And I think that is being crucified with him, where we come into union with him in his death, and his death basically kills us, the old man. And then when we get buried with him and we get resurrected from the dead, as Jesus did, we're literally resurrected in him. We are crucified in him, we are buried in him, and we're resurrected in him to newness of life. The old man is done. That doesn't say that we don't enter into bouts of foolishness and resurrect the old man. And it's not resurrection power, believe me. It's more like we're exhuming him. We're digging him back up again, because we missed that old guy,
So it's kind of Frankenstein. We're just piecing our old selves back into this creation.
Right, and we're kind of like mixing in with the new guy.
Right.
And basically, Jesus, I think it was Paul, the Apostle Paul, said that let a double-minded man think that he will receive, nothing's changed. And let a double-minded man think that he'll receive anything from God. So if we're living in that double-mindedness, the old man and the new man having influence on us, and we're choosing one way one minute and one way the other minute, we're not going to be able to truly house the blessing that God wants to flow through us, his pleasure in us, if we're double-minded. In other words, he goes, I have to work through I'll just say it, a pure vessel. Someone with single focus. Someone that's single focused. They're not dancing back and forth between righteousness and evil.